Hi, I'm Rob Toshack from First Truck Center. Here to give you a brief synopsis of why you should be buying your truck from us. Here's a few options that we have. 122 SD. We can build this truck into anything your mind can imagine. Anything oil patch related, tank, vacuum, water, garbage. Right here we have a 22 cube stainless. 122 SD, all the options. Rosewood dash, full instrumentation, full lockers, individual switches, tilt, telescopic, leather seats. All the creature comforts of home. Camex rig up, 98 barrel straight back. All your controls, vibrator, pump, rear door, nice feature from Camex. Storage box, gloves, coveralls, rubbers, with the heater. Warms everything up, boys are ready to go the next day.